what's up YouTube, and what's up everybody that is just coming to drop off. Feel free to watch my video because you are all part of this channel, whether you subscribe or choose to subscribe or just choose to watch and then bounce off. Feel free to come back again and share with others this video I'm uploading and the previous videos, because you may save a soul, because the message are not from me, but is from the Lord, and it's straight from the heart, straight from here. So without wasting any time, let me talk about Matthew chapter 7, 1 to 2. I've been so bothered lately when I'm being on social media and I see people judging one another. Social media is 90%, or let me say, and 99% false and 1% true. Why I say this? Because people are posting things of other people not true, whether they are indirect or direct, and 1% of the information is true, because 1% of the things sent out are encouraging and motivating, while 99 of the things that is sent on social media is judging others, which is the same measurement you give will be the same measurement that will be given back to you in verse 2. So let me talk about the judgment on social media. You may see that they post half naked people on social media. Some are smoking, some are having tattoos on their body. Now us that are wearing nice, us that have millions of suits and millions of dresses, skirts, whatever in your closet, have we not think about them that are coming like this? Have we asked them, my sister, how is your condition? Or my brother, how is your condition? We are wearing something that can cover up our bodies, long sleeves. What about that man? Maybe we can help him also to cover up his tattoo. Maybe we can help that sister to wear nice, to donate some clothes to the poor, as the Bible is saying. There was a rich man in the Bible. He was saying, Lord, what can I do to inherit the kingdom of heaven? Jesus told that man to sell his position and to follow him. He went sorrowful. The man was boastful. Okay, Lord, I followed all those things. I've done 10 commandments and I've been righteous. I honor my parents. I didn't murder. I didn't kill. I didn't do blah blah blah. I didn't save another god. What. Then Jesus said, okay, now sell all you have, which is he didn't do first commandments, which is saying that you must not have other gods before me. That is his wealth. His wealth was his God. So Jesus, knowing that he didn't do one commandment, say that sell your possessions and come follow me. You sell your possessions to the poor people and come follow me. And this old man was sad because his God was what he was having at home. His God was that wealth, that silver and gold, that splendor was his God. And 99 of what you say he did it was true, but 1% of what you say was false. In fact, maybe we don't know, but God proved him wrong, that 1%. So let me go to social media side. We see on social media that people are posting half naked people without even concerning, oh, I must give these people this clothes, at least to save soul and bring less judgment onto others. That sister that you see wearing half naked, no matter how she look like, if you consider you that is having best clothes, when you open your clothes, what you see? Don't you see 100% of your clothes and 1% you are wearing?